Hello everyone, this is Aus Yahya, and in this video we are going to create a Gmail account in a very fast way. So first of all, we write Gmail and we will get introduced to two types of links. The first one will ask us to directly log in to Gmail, which we don't have. The second one will introduce the service to us. So what is Gmail, what we can do with it, all the features that it provides. So as you can see, there's a call for action, create an account here, create an account there, and another one in here. So once we click at this one, we will start to create the Gmail account. As you can see, it asks us for the first, last name, and the username for the email, password, and we will be good to go. If we go from here, we will have also a call for action, which is create an account, and we have two types of accounts. We will select the first one for ourselves, and you'll see that they are exactly the same windows. So whatever suits you, whatever way, as long as you reach this window. So we will start with our first name, then last name. For this video purpose, I'm going to create an email for an IT class that I'm teaching. So IT class, you can use whatever name that you want. Then Google will suggest for you a username. This username is going to be the email that you are going to share with people. So you will say my email is cit381679@gmail.com, and people will start to message you, just like when you share your let's say Instagram account or Facebook account or TikTok account. You share the user. Now this is a hard to remember ID, so we will create another one. So we can say that IT 2021 class. Let's see if it's available. We go to passwords. If it's available, it will not give us any warning. But let's say that I said I want it to be IT class, and I go down, it will say that it's taken. We should try another one. So make sure that you change in it until you find the username which suits you. Now for the password, I advise you to use a password which contain a number, contain a capital letter, and a character. And it should be more than 8, of course. So we can say that I will use, instead of the I of IT, I will use a exclamation mark, then T, then class, then S and 8, and then a G capital. So it has a character, capital, and a number. So once you click show password, you will remember the password. I will copy this here, copy it here, there, and I can click next. But I'm not going to use this password, so let me write my password quick. Now when we click next, our Gmail account will be taken as the user that we have selected. Now we need to write our mobile number, which is optional for Iraq, where I'm living, but for other countries you must write your mobile number. My recommendation for you is to write your mobile number, because it's going to activate the two-factor authentication, which will make your device or account very secured. No one can access your device unless you provide the code that is going to be sent to your mobile. So in this case, I will not share my mobile for the time being, because it's just like some sort of a test. And as for the recovery email, it's also essential. And for me, I believe that you should write it, because once you write this email, if there's any attempt of getting access to your mobile, that recovery email will get a notification. Or if your mobile number is lost and you cannot access your device or your account, you can access it by the let's say this recovery email. So I will write my email, and now whatever whatever I do in here in this email, changing the password, asking for certain things, or if someone tries to access my account, a notification will be sent to this email, which is basically mine. But you can put an email of your brother, sister, friend, but I advise you to use another email. It would be better. Now, as for the birthday, you can write it. As for the gender, you can select and then you click next. Then it will give you a set of terms that you need to agree. I agree. Now the Gmail is created and it will give you a set of tutorials. You can compose a new email directly in here. You can write the recipient to whom you want to send, the subject, and you can attach many things. You can see your sent emails, you can see your draft, and with all of this you can get a bonus. The bonus would be is a set of tools where you can use your Gmail with. You can log into the Google search, you can create a YouTube channel, you can sign in to the Play Store, you can participate in the news, you can host a meeting, you can have a drive, and you can log into Chrome as well. Moreover, with the OneDrive, you will get with the OneDrive you will get a 15 GB of online storage, and this 15 GB will be more than enough for you to share your important files. And moreover, you will get to use set of other tools such as the documents, which is equal to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can create a blog, you can save your files, and you can even create some online forms. That's it, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for your time. Good luck with whatever you are going to use your Gmail with.